Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Hot Wheels Premium Exotic MV Koenigsegg Agera R. So I've had this car for a while, never got a chance to open it, but this is from from 2023's Exotic MV set. The chase, I think, was the Lamborghini Huracan. It was this one right here, not the Huracan. I never knew the name of this one, the Encina V12, but still, I remember before, instead of the Koenigsegg, I was thinking of getting this one instead, but I think it was a better decision to get the Agera R, because this thing is very beautiful. Even the card art is just very nice. I like how it's like an underground garage. But yeah, guys, you can see that there's some dust. I just wiped it off my finger, but you can still see if I can get a bit of, I don't know, my camera never focuses. You can still see like a bit of dust. It's stupid. The cameras of the new iPhones don't really work. But still, it is very dusty on top of here. You can kind of see it a bit. Yeah, I can see like kind of here. But anyways, let us crack this open because this is a very good casting. But anyways, guys. Alright, you guys, we're back. I just need to hook up the rotator. I do not have the original cord since someone else is using it right now. But so let's crack this open. And I do not know why my camera... Yeah, there we go. Finally focuses. So yeah, let's crack it open. Because this looks like a very good card. Oh man, this is very hard to open. Because like the thing about Hot Wheels cars is that I'm not really trying to keep them sealed. I want to enjoy the model and all designs, because what would be the point if I just bought these and didn't open them? Because like, even if you did try to sell like Hot Wheels, I know scalpers like doing that a lot, there really is no point, because it's just such a bummy way of making money. It's better just to get a job than selling 1/64 scale mini diecast cars. And oh my god, oh, the wheels feel very loose. But what's kind of weird, I don't know, look at the wheels, like, oh man, that is so beautiful. Holy crap, just look at those tampos. Yo, this is like a Matchbox model almost. Oh, I hate this phone. It's starting to piss me off. Look at that. So shiny. Such a nice casting. Let's just get a better detail of it. I will cut the video real quick.